Hi everyone, this is Jackie from GemLightbox. We're here at the JCK Show 2026. I'm here with Max from Ilusion Joyas, and they're based in Guadalajara, Mexico. And Max, you purchased the GemLightbox today. Which one did you buy?
I buy the large one. I can't remember the model.
Yeah, you bought the biggest version. And what actually brought you to our booth today? How did you hear about us?
Actually, I was walking around the show, honestly, and I like it very much, the easiness or the smoothness of the technology. I think it's a very powerful, right away when they explained to me and I see it on action, we decided to buy it.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And what were you using before the GemLightbox? How were you taking your photos?
We do a very archaic system. We have a photograph and people, and then we for studio photos, for nice photos like these ones, even better these ones actually, we have to hire someone.
Right.
Yeah.
And that was costing you a lot, right?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Of course.
And when you saw the GemLightbox today, what was your favorite feature?
They show me, I give you my watch, you show me, and it looks like a really, like a very produced, a very professional marketing that you see in the movies. I mean, it was very nice.
Yeah, very professional.
Yeah, very professional, very nice.
Amazing. And why would you recommend the GemLightbox to your colleagues and your friends in the industry?
I mean, it's so easy to do it. You would look like a professional with no need of professionals in your team or hiring them. I think it's a very powerful tool. It's a must.
Perfect. And last question for you. If you could describe the GemLightbox in one single word, what would it be?
Amazing. It's very nice. I really liked it. I think it's gonna take us to the next level in photos and social media. It's nice.
Fantastic. If you guys are looking for your next jewelry piece, please make sure you check out Ilusion Joyas, and Max will definitely help you out.
Thank you very much.
See you guys.
See
Thank
you.
you guys.